Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a complete hair reset. In my previous video, I actually had in braids, as you guys saw, and I am taking them down in this video, as well as sharing with you guys my, wash day routine after I take out a protective style, such as that one. And so this should be super fun. So if you would like to see my hair reset routine, then just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into it. I got these braids done for my birthday on August 8th, and I actually got them done a couple days before. So I've had these in for 3 weeks and 5 days exactly. I honestly feel like it's now a thing that y'all know I don't keep my hair really one way for too long, but especially like a protective style in for too long. So I was actually very proud of myself that I made it basically 4 weeks. I think the main reason was because these feed-in braids were incredibly low maintenance. I mean, like with knotless braids, I find myself having to move them out my face, styling them, having to secure them for workouts, etc., etc. But honestly, styling them is my choice, but still, it just seems like so much more. So I loved how easy these were, which is probably why they stayed in so long. But it was time to do a reset and get my natural hair back. To take these down, I was heavily procrastinating, I'm not gonna lie. So I forced myself to at least cut them, and then I took one down so I can kind of see the vibe, and then I went to sleep. Covered my hair up with my bonnet and called it a night. It was the weekend, so the next day was actually Saturday. So I woke up and I got to it and put on, I forgot what I was watching, but I put on a show, and it took me honestly not that long. I actually thought it would take me longer. So to get these done, it took 4 hours. So I was assuming that it would at least take that long to take them down, because when I did have knotless braids, it basically took me the same amount of time to take them down as it did to get them put in. It only took me an hour and 41 minutes. Yes, I timed it. An hour and 41 minutes to completely take down all of these braids. So that was less than what I definitely had in mind. So I ended up sharing with you guys this portion of the video over on my Instagram, and one of you guys commented that I should wear it for a few days, or like you wear it for a few days. And I was like, I actually was thinking about that. So I ended up going ahead with that. And the next day I put my hair up into a puff. Granted, my hair was not that dirty. Like with my knotless braids, I would not have been able to do that, but I was able to get by for a few days. So I just put my hair up in a high puff. I'll actually link below the thin headband that I used for that. I just cut it in half, but I get it on Amazon, so that will be linked below. Now let's actually move into the shampoo and condition portion. I started by, of course, rinsing my hair, and then I went in with the Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. I almost always have this in my collection. This was actually the first shampoo I used for the initial wash, but I knew that I was going to shampoo at least twice, so I just started with this one. And after I got enough lather, I rinsed out the shampoo and went in with the second one. For the second one, I used the Monday Hair Care Moisture Shampoo, and I actually am going to link all of these in the description box like I always do, so make sure to take a look. But I lathered it the same way and then rinsed it out once I got a good scrub in. I actually was gonna leave it there, but then I had to look at my scalp and it was mostly clean, but I wanted to make super sure. So I went in with the Monday shampoo again, and after that I applied the Aveda Strengthening Conditioner. It's in the same Botanical Repair line as the shampoo, and I left that on for about 10 minutes while I took a shower off camera, and then I came back on and rinsed it out. Then the last thing that I did was I applied one of my favorite deep conditioners, the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask, and left that on for 5 minutes. You actually can leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, but I just left it on for 5 because I had already done so much and I was like over it at this point. So after that, I rinsed it out and applied my hair towel, and that is all, you guys. Keep watching so I can share with you the next steps, like what we plan to do to my hair after this. Nothing is better than a clean scalp and hydrated hair, so I'm excited to share with you guys next week how I did this wash and go. This is probably the best wash and go I've ever done. I just absolutely love the products that I use, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That is the end of this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.